Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool AT&T, which is a Western Electric Trimline, and this is Bonnie's equipment from New Jersey. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. We have a note with this unit, and we know that this Trimline telephone has static. We've troubleshooted a little bit, and we also know that this unit has a very low transmit. So we want to troubleshoot all the issues. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool AT&T Trimline telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that we replaced our T1 with an amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. Now, after these T1s get some age on them, they will sizzle and pop and crack. And they also will have a low volume or a low transmit power. So we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. It is of no use to us. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That will give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Tuesday, July 9th. The current time, 5:02 p.m. and the temperature, 88 degrees.
Now that we know that this really cool AT&T Trimline telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Bonnie and she can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.